So we pulled out that Master Pro or whatever, the bad wheel bearing. We're putting a new one in. Luckily, these are really easy to do. They're basically 3 bolts. Pull the brakes off and then you got 3 bolts holding it on. So, there's a little bit of crud in here I want to clean out. Might as well get it out. Of course, these trucks with the oversized wheels and tires are notorious for jacking up wheel hub bearings, but not that fast. Not in 200 miles. You see this thing? See all the grease came out of that freaking thing? So, little ABS sensor is going to go on the top there. So you got the 3 holes, 1, 2, 3, and kind of line it up. It will fall out on your foot if you're not careful. Of the 3 bolts, 2 of them are longer than the third. The shorter bolt goes in the top here. And this has a lift kit, so it makes it even harder to access especially the top bolt. Get that guy started. That guy started. That guy started. And what are we doing with a 22? Yeah, 22 mil. Wake you up. So that top short bolt, especially with this lift kit, a little bit harder to access. We put an extension, a little bit of an extension on it. And so, 5mm Allen head comes with a new ABS sensor, but since it's the same part, the sensor is already clipped and wired through its looms. I'm just going to go ahead and put the old one back in because it's the same brand, same part, and a month and a half old. There's a 5mm on that. Now all you gotta do is put your brakes back together and pick up that 9,000-pound rim and tire, put it back on. Should be back in business. So you got these floating rotors like this. Sometimes it helps put the brakes on. Just run one light nut on. So the rotor kind of sits upright. Easier to line your pads back up. Put our anchor back. You know how they say install reverse procedure? Well, I'm installing, so you take it apart in the reverse procedure. Loctite can be beneficial for these things. Just have little spring-loaded things on them. Help to keep the pads from vibrating. So they're kind of fun to put in. Caliper back on. There we go. That. I think this is 13. Hold this guy tight. Really, other than putting the wheel on, job's done. That's a wheel hub bearing, 17 Ram 2-wheel drive. I think the 4-wheel drive's the same, because this bearing is splined for a CV or axle shaft to go through there, so I think it's actually the same bearing. Fix them.